Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Windscribe browser extension in 2026. If you want to protect your browsing activity and quickly connect to VPN locations directly from your browser, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and install the official Windscribe browser extension from your browser's extension store. Next, once the installation is complete, click the Windscribe icon in your browser toolbar. Now sign in using your Windscribe account username and password. Next, allow any required permissions so the extension can function properly in your browser. Now choose a VPN server location from the available list. Next, click the Connect button and wait a few moments while the extension establishes a secure connection. Once connected, look for the connected status or the active VPN icon to confirm that your browser traffic is protected. Now explore the extension settings to enable features such as ad blocking, tracker blocking, or cookie management if available. Next, visit a website to verify that your browser is connected through the selected VPN location. Finally, when you're finished browsing, click the disconnect button to end the VPN session safely. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use the Windscribe browser extension. You can now browse the web with greater privacy, security, and convenience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.